Welcome to this lesson on magnetic fields. A magnetic field is the region of magnetic force around a magnet. Today, we'll explore this invisible but powerful phenomenon that surrounds every magnet. A magnetic field is the region of space around a magnet where magnetic forces can be detected. Think of it as an invisible zone of influence that extends outward from any magnet. Within this region, magnetic materials will experience a push or pull force. One fascinating aspect of magnetic fields is that they cannot be seen with our eyes. They are completely invisible. However, their effects are very real and measurable. We can observe how magnets attract or repel objects, even though we cannot see the field itself. To help us understand magnetic fields, scientists use field lines to represent the invisible magnetic field. These imaginary lines show the direction and pattern of the magnetic force. The lines flow from the North Pole to the South Pole of a magnet. Magnetic field lines have specific properties. Lines emerge from the North Pole of a magnet and enter at the South Pole. An important rule is that field lines never cross each other. This helps us understand the direction of magnetic force at any point in the field. The strength of a magnetic field is not uniform throughout space. The field is stronger when you are closer to the magnet. As you move farther away from the magnet, the field becomes weaker. This is why magnets have the strongest attraction at their poles. Although magnetic fields are invisible, we can detect them using simple tools. A compass needle aligns itself with magnetic field lines, showing us their direction. Iron filings, when sprinkled around a magnet, arrange themselves along the field lines, making the pattern visible. Magnetic fields exist naturally around us. Earth itself acts as a giant magnet with its own magnetic field. This planetary magnetic field is crucial for life, as it protects us from harmful solar radiation and charged particles from space. Let's review what we've learned. Magnetic fields are invisible regions of force that surround all magnets and magnetic materials. The field strength decreases with distance from the magnet. We can detect these fields using simple tools like compasses and iron filings. Understanding magnetic fields helps us comprehend how magnets interact with their environment.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.